Characteristic of sociology is a rational empirical science. Empiricism means understanding based on experience and even observation. Sociology is an empirical science relying mainly on observation and experiment and not on theory. Means whatever will be the subject matter of sociology, it will be based on observation and experiments and not only on the basis of certain theories, beliefs. In sociological theories, generalization are based on observation and reasoning. All those things that have been observed and has been tested by applying reasoning will be generalized. No speculations and no supernatural beliefs or things will be taken into consideration. All aspects of sociology are subject to evaluation made about social behavior. Whatever things are studied in sociology, they are focused on social behavior and are put to test for empirical evidences, and they are tested by observation and experiences. Sociological generalization are not based upon guesswork. No guesswork is allowed in sociology. They are based upon data which are tested before announcing them as scientific discoveries. All that data which have been collected after observations, after your experimentation, they are tested. Then only they are called as scientific discoveries. In sociology, to collect data, certain technical tools are used. And there are certain technical tools which are used to collect the data. The data is collected and studied and classified to find out their cause and effect. And after the data has been collected, it is studied, it is classified, and the cause and effect relationships are ascertained, are studied, and then the general theories of sociology are formulated. As an empirical science, sociology attempts to discover the truths about human beings and their relations on the basis of precise knowledge. And once the sociological findings are being approved, they are used to study the human being and their relation on the basis of precise knowledge. Sociology tries to explain why and how individuals behave as they do. So sociology helps us in knowing why a person is behaving in a particular manner at a particular time. It tries to find out the factors that determine different types of behavior and on which factors different persons' behavior relies. Sixth is sociology is a science of generalization. Sociology is a body of verified knowledge about social reality. Sociological studies collect, organize, and interpret data in scientific way. All those studies which are being conducted in regard to the society, the data is collected, it is organized, and it is interpreted in a scientific way. Social phenomena is studied by testing hypotheses and analyzing data. Whatever social phenomena, social activities, social life, dwelling activities are studied, they are studied by testing a particular hypothesis and analyzing the data to produce new explanations, और उन्हीं से ही नई नई explanations बनाई जाती हैं, दी जाती हैं. These generalizations help in formulation of new theories. Sociology is a general science. There are some social sciences, namely economics, politics, etc., which deal with a particular aspect of society. And sociology deals with social phenomena in a general manner. Study of human relations in the prime consideration in sociology. So the main consideration in sociology is to study the human relations. The goal of sociology is to acquire objective knowledge of social behavior. The main objective of sociology is to learn the social behavior, is to study the social behavior of human beings, free of bias and prejudice, बिना किसी biasity के और बिना किन्हीं prejudices. This is the reason why sociology is considered a general science. The sociology is considered as a science because it is empirical, theoretical, cumulative, and value neutral. Sociology is a science of society. Every science is a systematic body of knowledge which shows three common characteristics, which are the following. May it be of physics, may it be of chemistry, biology, these are all natural sciences. And every science has three main characteristics, which are: a science investigates and establishes causal relationships. Second, it generalizes and thereby provides universal principles. So, which are being adopted everywhere in the world. It predicts future events. All these characteristics are found in sociology. Sociology will investigate and establish causal relationships. It generalizes and thereby provides universal principles. It predicts future events. All these things are there in sociology also. Therefore, sociology is considered to be a science. Sociology deals with whole life of man in society. In sociology, we critically deal with the nature and character of human societies and of social institutions. The only difference between the natural science and sociology is that sociology, whatever thing is done to study the nature in natural sciences, the same thing is done to study the human societies and social institutions in sociology. Sociology deals with the evolution of man and of society, its systems and structures. कैसे इंसान का evolution हुआ, how the society is developed, how the social systems have developed, how the social structures have been formulated, the development and functions of social institutions, the customs, rules of conduct by means of which societies are regulated and maintained, and finally the kinds of groups and communities that man has formed throughout the history. This is the subject matter of sociology. Sociology is also related to the inquiry into the nature of the interdependence of groups in social life. Means sociology inquires the nature of the interdependence of groups in social life, how the different groups are interdependent on each other in the social life. Sociology is concerned with the interconnections of the different parts of society, how one group or one part of society is related to the other part of society, how it is connected with each, how the two sections of the society are connected to each other. Sociology critically studies the social issues by conducting many experiments, directly or indirectly, and make use of scientific methods such as scales of sociometry, schedules, your questionnaires, interviews, case studies, etc. These are all scientific instruments of studying a certain aspect. So these all things are also used in sociological studies. In sociology, social aspects are critically studied. All the social aspects, they are critically studied. उनके pros and cons को अच्छी तरह से study किया जाता है. As they are, and the social principles are universal and factual. The social processes and relationships are critically studied basing on cause and effect. What are the causes of happening and what are the effects of that particular happening are studied in sociological studies. Sociological principles are made after analyzing available data collected after the formation of prediction or hypothesis.